So over here in ChatGPT, let's start by writing simple prompts. So over here, in order to tell ChatGPT to do something, you can go around and message ChatGPT over here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and ask ChatGPT to do or tell me something. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say, what is the meaning of a computer system? So let me just go around and press question mark right here. So if the grammar is correct, then the prompt works great. So focus on your English grammar basically. So I'm just going to go around and press enter. Then what happens is that you can see that it answers like what is the meaning of computer system. So this is what you have, as you can see right here. So now let's say, for example, I'm going to say the same thing in 30 words or less. And I'm going to press enter, and you can see that it shortens out that particular text right here. I can also go around and say the same thing in 400 words or more. So just like this. And what happens is that it goes around and explains it further, as you can see right here. So you can go around and be more specific, and you can see that it gives more information right here, just like this. And that is how you can write simple prompts. What you can also do is you can go around and, let's say, for example, add numbers, add these numbers and say 400 plus 500 and press enter, and what happens is that it gives the result as well. So you can see that that is what you have. So whatever you want ChatGPT to do, you write it in simple prompts and it'll do it for you, as you can see, just like that. You can also say, let's say, for example, write a letter for request to let me in a job of a cashier, let's say, for example, and press enter, and what happens is that you can see that it actually writes in the letter right here. So it says, I'm writing to express my sincere interest in cashier position at company name and so forth, and it makes it specific, as you can see right here. You can also ask it specific questions, like, let's say, for example, I am confused. Can I wear red or yellow shirt? Just like this, press question mark right here, and it does give you opinion as well. So you can see that it is actually telling, it sounds like you have a choice between wearing red, yellow shirt, both colors can convey, and so forth. And then you can see that it does not give a straightforward answer right here, but it says it comes down to your decision. So you can see that it gives answers to whatever questions I ask, and it tells it does whatever I tell it to do, just like this. And that is how you can start by writing simple prompts and then use ChatGPT. And as we progress along the course, we're going to see much more on what ChatGPT can do. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.